Eid Mubarak, Assalamualaikum everyone. Yes, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is featuring, you guessed it, henna mehndi designs. So how do we get perfect henna mehndi designs on our hands without the help of someone? Any guesses? Yes, you're right. Stencils. Now stencils are very helpful, especially if you're not ambidextrous. Not ambidextrous. I want to get those beautiful henna designs on both my hands, and they both look nice and even. These henna stencils are really easy to use, so let's get started. Prep your nails. My nails are very short right now. File them just to make them a bit neat. Take care of the cuticles. So I am using a remove and rectify cuticle remover and conditioner from Marks and Spencer. Squirt. And then just rub it in. It's gonna soften up all the cuticle. Then you need a tool like this. Okay, push the cuticles. See, with the cuticle remover, it really comes out very easily. And then with this, I just get rid of these cuticles here. Ta-da! Okay, cuticles done. Now we are ready to put on the henna design. It's sticky on one side. I am gonna try out these mehndi cones here. It's Singhar's special henna cone. Okay, there's a pin at the end. You take out the pin. I think it's better to cut them in manageable portions. Now these henna mehndi stencils are really easy to use and they're very convenient. So I set the stencil over the area I want to apply the henna on. Make sure you lay it over evenly. The stencil may have a bit of adhesive, so it does stick to the skin. These are reusable. You can tape the edges to make sure it doesn't move once you start applying henna. That's totally up to you. Now you can use the henna cone and start applying to the area directly, but I felt like that was very time consuming and the henna was not coming out very evenly. You can use a spatula, but I used a nail filer just to fill in the spaces in the stencil with the henna paste. Spread the paste throughout the design. This will give you a very even coating of the henna. And make sure you fill the holes or spaces thoroughly. Doing this will give you a very consistent color once the henna paste dries off, because if you do not apply the henna thoroughly, you will get areas where the henna will be lighter and then you will get areas where the henna will be darker. I removed the henna stencil as soon as I applied the henna paste to it. This is totally optional, it's up to you. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, keep the henna stencil on till the henna paste dries and then you can peel it off. These henna stencils are amazing. You do not need anyone to actually do henna designs for you. You can totally do this yourself. There's no more struggle to get those perfect lines and curves and perfect designs. It is great for beginners practicing henna designs. You can easily reuse them. So these henna stencils come in various designs, various patterns. You can have a collection of these and combine multiple stencils for custom designs on your hands and feet. So I bought a very random mehndi henna cone, but please let me know in the comments down below, which one do you prefer? Is there a specific brand that you really like and that is the best out there in the market? Please mention it in the comments down below. Let everyone know. Share this information. Sharing is caring. And also let me know if you are doing mehndi for this Eid. So everyone, now we're going to remove our henna design. I have taken a cotton pad, soaked it with baby oil, and then gently just place it like this and start to remove the henna design. What this will do is skin is actually getting moisturized. So this is the part where you need the most patience because you're just going to be removing the flakes. So that's done. So everyone, the color of henna will be different according to different brands. I feel like this one gave me a very orangey kind of color. So here are the final results. The longer you leave the henna on, the deeper the color will be, which will help your henna mehndi last longer. Do not wash your hands often at this point because you still want the henna to set into your skin. So allow it to develop more color over time. So everyone, if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, press the bell icon so you're notified of any future videos that I might post, leave a constructive comment and share this video. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz. Bye.